Today, I am going to show you how to create a clock photo frame in Canva. This is actually a popular digital product that people are selling on Etsy and making good money from. And stay till the end because I'll also be sharing the free template so you can get started right away. Let's go. All right, click on the plus icon to create a new design. In Units, select Inches. Now add a size 12 by 12 inches. You can adjust this size however you want. Now, the first thing we need is the face of the clock. Let me show you different ways to find it. The first way is to go to Elements and search for clock. Open Graphics, and you'll find many options you can use directly. Another way is to visit a website called SVG Sill. Scroll down and you'll find many categories. By the way, all the images on this site are under Creative Commons license, so you can use them without worrying about copyright. Now press Ctrl F to search for clock, and here it is. Click on it and you'll find many clock images. Go through the pages to find a good one. I'll choose this one and download it as an SVG. Now go back to Canva and add the downloaded image to the page. Resize it to fill the entire canvas. Now we want to add the photo in the middle circle of the clock. To do that, add another circle. Let's change its color to make it visible. Resize and place it exactly above the middle circle of the clock. Now let's convert this circle into a frame. To do that, we need to install an app. Go to Apps and search for Frame Maker. This is the app. Click on it to install. I've already made a bunch of tutorials about this app. It helps you create custom frames. You can watch the complete tutorial on my channel. Today, I'll use their Convert feature, which is a paid feature, but don't worry, they offer a free trial so you can test it out. Now choose Frame here and click Continue. In the frame area, you'll see three options for how you want to convert your design. I'll choose By Color. That's why I added an additional circle. Now select the color you want to convert into a frame. Next, click Convert Design to Frame. Now choose Maximum Size and make sure to select Transparent Background. Click Export, and the exact frame will be inserted in place of the circle. Now you can insert your photo into this frame. And our clock frame is ready. Lastly, go to Position, open Layers, and delete the yellow circle. Now let's try another one. Add a new page, go back to the site, and find another clock image. I'll choose this one and download it. Go back to Canva, upload the image, resize it, add a circle, change its color, and position it properly. Go back to Frame Maker, click Continue, choose Color, select the color, click Convert, choose Maximum Size, select Transparent Background, select the current page, and click Export. Now add your photo, go to Position, and delete the yellow circle. Place the image behind the clock, and just like that, our new clock frame is ready. See how cool that looks? Now let me show you a few more websites where you can find clock face designs. Another great site is Clean PNG. Search for clock face here, and you'll find different options. Just click the one you like. You can also read about its details like image size and licensing. One important thing, check whether the image is for personal use or commercial use. Always read the license before using it. The next site is Magnific. This is a paid site, so you'll need a membership. If you have a membership, search for Clockface, and you'll find some really good designs. Just download it, add it to Canva, and convert it into a frame just like before. No matter where you get your images from, always check their license before using them. And that's how you create a collage photo frame in Canva using clock face designs. I've already created a few designs like this. If you want them, just comment template below and I'll share the link with you in the replies. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. See you in the next one.